Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with Glossybox, which I did get yesterday, but we've been busy.
More birthday stuff. So we had karaoke, we did bowling.
Ooh.
Today's escape room, one of those wine
Don't care about
vouchers
these
that
things.
she throws.
Yeah.
Ooh, it is pretty. And then tomorrow's our actual birthday. Yay, turning 40.
And was it Glossybox that was celebrating their birthday too? I think.
One of them was.
Or was it?
I don't remember.
Or was it like a lure? I don't remember Glossybox. Oh no, it has to be this one. Cause look, it looks like a kind of like frosting on. Oh, yep, the birthday edition. I called it. Woo!
Yay, good memory.
And it's our birthday tomorrow, so yay! I know, she said that.
I just said that. But we're going to the spa tomorrow, so we're excited for that. And then we're having a party.
So when you
next
open
week.
it up, it looks like that. I like how it looks like a cake. It's
I
so
like
cute.
that. It's cute. Yeah.
Good job, Glossybox. Okay, let's see. So, we hope you loved your Glossybox. As a valued customer, we love to have your friends join in the fun with code GLOSSYTREAT20. Treat your friends to 20% off their first monthly box. There you go, friends. Okay.
Thank you.
And then there's something for Amora coffee, free coffee of $14.95 value. I'm like, I do like coffee.
Your VIP code, coffee, and then a U, like the letter U.
And then you get your little like booklet pamphlet thing showing you what's inside. And then it says blow out the candles glossy. Should I read that? As we turn another year older, we are so happy to celebrate being glossy with all of you. Birthdays are the one day of the year when everything is about you, and our birthday month is no exception. Holding nothing back, we filled our monthly present to you with our favorite products that make us feel extra special. We want to share that magical day with everyone because without you there would be without you there would be no Glossybox. Duh. We hope you bring your extra sparkle with our glittery nail polish, shine your brightest with our cleansing balm, and have the perfect glow up with our shimmering highlighter. Now let's celebrate.
We're trying Glossybox. We're trying. Let's see. That is a glittery.
That's cute. Okay.
Glittery polish. Very glittery.
Okay, so which I pull off first? Let's see. Is it UB? Am I saying right? UB Cosmetics? Okay, True Glow Skin Illuminating Stick.
You be right. No, okay. This is for the perfect glow up. We're in love with this highlighter from UB Cosmetics, giving a perfect sun-kissed glow exactly where you need it. This illuminating stick is also cruelty-free and vegetarian-friendly, as is any product from this innovative brand.
I was like thinking, should I try it? Do you think I should try it?
It says, remember to only highlight the areas where light naturally falls on your face, like the top of your lips, cheekbones, and the bridge of your nose.
I wonder if it's going to be light enough.
Is it a cream one, though?
I think so.
I don't use those, myself, but let's see if it helps.
I know.
If it goes on. So not going in any giveaway of any kind.
Yeah.
We're like, no.
I can't even see that far. I don't know. Did I do it at all?
I can't tell.
No, maybe. I don't know.
I can't tell it did anything.
Maybe I didn't press hard enough. Oh, well. Yeah, maybe I didn't press hard enough. I don't know.
And I feel like sticking a fingernail in there and like digging into it because it looks like it's not even spreading out, but
at least I tried.
Yeah.
Okay, on to the next
color, but
okay, and then we have Emma Hardy's Moringa Light Cleansing Gel.
It says, for those that love the pink detox mask from June, you will love the cleansing gel from Emma Hardy. Rich, luxurious, packed with vitamin E and suitable for all skin types. No wonder this cleansing gel is a bestseller. And it says, tip less is definitely more. Only a dime size amount of this cleansing gel should be enough for cleansing your entire face.
Okay, and then onto that glittery polish. Oh my gosh. Is it Lauren B?
Yeah, Lauren B Beauty.
Oh, that's glittery.
It says it's Bright Lights nail polish. I'm assuming that's the color. It says, who said 7 free can't be sparkly? Not Lauren B Beauty, that's for sure. Their polishes are the best of both worlds, ethical and luxurious. Bright Lights will be that extra oomph to any look, day or night. Sorry. This is apply the glitter nail polish onto the edge of a makeup sponge and dab it onto your nail. This creates an even and full application of the glitter. Cool.
And then Jaffa Royal, I guess the color is Victoria. Is it a lip liner probably?
Luxury lip liner. Full size, 1 lip liner is featured. Cool. It says with the brand's coveted royal jelly formula, this lip liner is the most nourishing for your lips this summer with a pop of color fit for a queen that means you. And this is tip dab a small bit of powder on your lips for long lasting color all day. I like how their tips they tell you are like things that most people I think would know. Just
the lid wasn't all the way tightened on this, but okay. And then
makeup.
Maria Nila, is that how you say it? Maria
That's really
Nila?
big.
True soft hair mask, right? Softening mask.
Yeah.
For hair.
This is a hair mask that lives up to its name. This vegan friendly hair revitalizer is the perfect product that's good for you and for the planet. Environmentally friendly and color protecting. Maria Nila is one of our favorite cruelty-free hair care products. I'm dropping things. It says tip, you should always be using a wide tooth comb when handling wet hair and comb from roots to ends for complete saturation. Again, I like the tips, but they're ones that I feel like we would know already, but that's cool. But that's it, right? And this one's 23 something.
No, 22.83 or something. Whatever the price of boxy term is, I'm pretty sure they're the exact same price.
But that was it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to be in our what will be current giveaway in just a little bit here. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.